Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the language on Steam. First, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, you have to log in to your account first. Once Steam is open, go to the top left corner of the window. Click on the word Steam. It's in the top menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Settings. This will open a new window with several options on the left side. Now look for the option that says Interface. Click on it. In the main area of the window, you'll see a section that says, select the language you wish Steam to use. Click on the drop-down menu right below that. It will show a list of all the available languages. Scroll through the list and click on the language you want to use. After selecting your preferred language, look at the bottom of the window and click the OK button. Steam will then show a message saying it needs to restart in order to apply the language change. Click on the Restart Steam button. Steam will now close and open again in the new language you picked. That's it. The entire interface, including menus and settings, will now appear in the language you selected. If you ever want to change it back, just follow the same steps again. You can switch languages as many times as you want. This setting only changes the language for the Steam app itself, not for your games. Some games let you change language separately in their own settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.